Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2020 Chemistry Past Question 29. The following are chemical entities identifiable during qualitative analysis. 1. SO4 2 minus, 2. H3O plus, 3. NH4 plus, and 4. OH minus. Now this is a sulfate ion, hydroxonium ion, ammonium ion, and hydroxyl ion. Which of them can be detected by litmus paper? Now, looking at these ions or these chemical entities given, looking at them, H3O plus, which is the hydroxonium ion, we call it hydroxonium, is acidic. If allowed to dissolve in water, will form what? An acidic solution and will turn blue litmus red. So it can be detected by what? By litmus paper. Also, OH minus, known as hydroxyl ion, we call it the hydroxyl ion, is a basic ion because if allowed to dissolve in water will form an alkali, and so therefore can be detected by litmus paper because it turns red litmus paper blue. So it can be detected by litmus paper. But the sulfate ion and the ammonium ion cannot be detected by what? Litmus paper. They can't be detected by litmus paper. So the answer to this question is actually option A, II and IV only. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.